All right, hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to the channel, Dylan here. We have a very important video I wanted to discuss with you all about why the Uber CEO, Dara Khosrowshahi, is eliminating so many drivers right now. If you've been cut, deactivated, permanently banned from the app, I'm gonna tell you why. It's because, well, I'm gonna get into it. So many drivers are being eliminated. Firstly, if you have been deactivated, there is an app service that does help you. Basically what they do is they write a letter to the gig app for you. So, and they do a lot of other stuff too. But yeah, the website's called Driverly. I'll have a link below, and we do have a discount code. You can check out Driverly if you'd like. And it's not guaranteed to get you back by any means. And if anyways. Check the link out below. Otherwise, let's get started. This is why, in my opinion, Uber is deactivating so many drivers. Let's get started. So we have this big article. Uber CEO came out. He's been doing a lot of interviews lately because Uber's been doing extremely well. Uber's earnings came in over at expectations. And as you can see here, the Uber CEO, you know, he just did the interview with the Rideshare Guy. We did our full reaction here on this channel. You can watch the video. But Uber CEO came out and said the business is really hitting on all cylinders. Khosrowshahi said in an interview, you know, they beat analysts' estimate. Khosrowshahi's optimistic tone stands out in a turbulent time for tech companies. And now look at this. Both the US and international are growing at a rate of 40+%, which is super healthy. We are big believers in delivery, and the focus here is really profitability. So Uber actually, you know, is cash flow positive now, probably actually going to be profitable. And look at this. The number of new drivers on the platform increased during the second quarter, and wait times and surge pricing will improve further as driver supply comes back into balance with customer demand. And I wanted to also show this other one I was looking at as well. Yeah, so inflation is bringing new drivers into Uber. So Dara is talking about this, about the price for gas has risen rapidly. However, drivers in the US, they're saying, are earning $30 or $37 per utilized hour, meaning your time spent driving. And with this knowledge, basically, they're saying, Uber's CEO is saying, like, we have no issue with getting new drivers because inflation and people, you know, everything's so expensive. So a lot of people are signing up to drive for Uber and for Lyft right now because they need money. And so when somebody violates the terms of service, like a driver gets too many complaints, aka older, more veteran drivers who've been driving for a few years, after you get, 3, 4, 5 bad ratings, Uber, they're gonna get rid of you because they have no issue getting 5 new drivers in place of you. You know what I mean? They're basically saying you're extremely replaceable. We don't need you, and we're actually, doing just fine, and we're growing at a very healthy rate. So a lot of times, they're just going to deactivate you. So that's why, in my opinion, I wanted to share with you, because so many drivers have gotten deactivated or eliminated, and a lot of rideshare gig apps, Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash deactivated. And this is why, they're really like not looking at your case that much. If you get a false report or a bad rating, a lot of times they just deactivate you, because as a 1099 worker, I mean, you're really like kind of at the mercy of the app to just deactivate you at any time. So anyways, that's the update I just want to share with you all. Let me know your thoughts on this one, guys. And yeah, again, if you're trying to get your account back, there's a company that helps you, gives you advice on how to get your account reactivated. And they'll even write a letter for you to the company. And again, it's not guaranteed, but it's definitely at your will. And it's a monthly thing, so it's really like, low cost, low risk. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. You guys are great, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.